Exposing the best in tech for 2024. Here's the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Introducing the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max, the pinnacle of smartphone innovation for 2024. With a stunning new design, it features a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion technology. That means smoother scrolling and incredible color accuracy. But wait, there's more. The camera system is revolutionary. A 48mm main sensor, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses, plus enhanced low-light performance. Say hello to breathtaking photos and videos. Powered by the A18 Bionic chip, it's faster and more efficient than ever. Perfect for gaming, multitasking, and AR experiences. And don't worry about battery life. With all-day battery life and super-fast charging, you'll stay connected longer without the wait. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, redefining what's possible in a smartphone. Available now.
If your phone looks like it just walked out of a sci-fi movie, you're holding the future. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Sleek design? Check. Unfold a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED display for unbeatable multitasking and immersive viewing. Need a tablet? Just unfold it. The robust hinge switches seamlessly from phone to tablet mode. Capture every moment with a 108-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. Your photos just got a major upgrade. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, this beast is all about top-tier performance. And with a 4400 mAh battery and fast charging, you'll stay connected all day long. Excited yet? You should be. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.